गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग पैराबोला के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे, कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप्स के। आज स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला का प्रॉब्लम है। आज हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे, फाइंड द वर्टिसेस फाइंड द वर्टेक्स एंड फोकस एक्सेस एंड डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एंड लेंथ ऑफ लेटेस्ट रेक्टम ऑफ पैराबोला। दिस पैराबोला इज y square equals to 8ax. We know that y square equals to 8x is standard parabola, which is right-handed parabola. So it's compare with y square equals to 4ax. The coefficient of here x is 4a and here coefficient of x is 8. That's why 4a equals to 8. It implies that a equals to 2. We know that the vertex of parabola is v, whose coordinate is 0, 0, and the focus f, whose coordinate is a, 0. That's why the vertex of this parabola is 0, 0, and the focus is a, 0. It means the value of a is 2, so the focus is 2, 0. Now equation of directrix in this parabola is behind 2 axes. This is the directrix. We know that this distance is the a. That's why the equation of directrix is x equals to minus times a, because its distance is behind to origin. So the equation of directrix is x plus a equals to 0. Now put the value of a, then the equation of directrix is x plus a equals to 0, then x plus 2 equals to 0. This equation is the equation of directrix. Next is the length of lattice rectum. What is the length of lattice rectum? This distance which is perpendicular to axis and passes through the focus. This is called length of lattice rectum, which is equals to 4a. Now length of lattice rectum is 4a. It means that 4 into 2, which is equals to 8. So length of lattice rectum is 8. Now the equation of axis, this equation of axis, this is the x-axis, so the equation of axis is y equals to 0. That's why in this problem the equation of axis is also y equals to 0. Okay, next question is, the second question is y square minus 4y plus 4x equals to 0. Y square minus 4y plus 4x equals to 0. This is the second question. Same thing is here, but this parabola is not a standard parabola. So we have completing square methods. We know that in completing square method the coefficient of y is 4. We have firstly divided by 2 and squaring of that number, that means 2. 4 is divided by 2, that means 2. 2 squaring of 2 is 4. So we have added 4 and subtract 4. Now we can write here y square minus 4y plus 4 plus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab, that's why this is the y minus 2 ka whole square plus, now 4 is common, that means x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can write here y minus 2 का whole square equals to minus times of 4x minus 1. This is the parabolic equation. We know that this is not a standard parabola, so we can take capital Y equals to y minus 2 and capital X equals to x minus 1. So this equation is converted in the form of capital Y square equals to minus 4 capital X. We know that this parabola is negative of x-axis, that's why this is the left-handed parabola. So we can draw such types of figure. This is known as left-handed parabola, and the equation of this is the y square equals to minus 4ax. So we have compared to the equation minus 4ax. Now minus 4a equals to 4, it implies a equals to 1. But we want to the focus and length of lattice rectum in the form of small of x and y. That's why this is called new focus, new focus. This is the new focus, that means a comma 0, and vertex is the minus a comma 0, and this is the 0 comma 0. This is vertex, and length of lattice rectum is same, that is the 4a. This is the 4a length of lattice rectum, and say, now put the value of vertices. Vertex is equals to 0 comma 0. We know that we have comparing capital letters of parabola, that means this is the value of capital X, this is the value of capital Y. So capital X equals to 0 and capital Y equals to 0. This is vertex for new parabola. Now we want to find the vertex of old parabola. That's why we have put the value of is capital X is x minus 1 in this place, x minus 1 equals to 0, and the capital Y is equals to y minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have solved this equation, we get x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. It means the vertex is 1 comma 2. This is old. This is old vertex. We need to this vertex. Same way we have know that the formula is of focus is minus a comma 0. Now the focus is equals to minus a comma 0. The value of a is already 1, so the focus is minus 1 comma 0. This is the new focus, but we want to old focus. So we have no x equals to minus 1, capital Y equals to 0. Putting the value of small x, capital X is equals to x minus 1 equals to minus 1 and y minus 2 equals to 0. Here is given. We have already considered this equation. That's why capital X equals to x minus 1, capital Y equals to y minus 2. We have put here, and find the value of small x. Small x equals to, here is the positive and negative, so it gives 0 and this gives y equals to 2. So the focus is 0 comma 2. This is new. Similarly, we have find to the equation, we have find to length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. That's why the length of lattice rectum is 4a. That means 4 into 1 equals to 4a. Length of lattice rectum is equals to 4a. The value of 4 into a equals to 4. Same thing, the equation of directrix. What is the equation of directrix? This value is x equals to a. Now we can write x minus a equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. It means capital X minus a equals to 0. It means capital X minus 1 equals to 0. It means x minus 1 equals to 0. It means x minus 2 equals to 0. This is new equation of directrix, and this is the old equation of directrix. So in the similar way we can find the other problems same way, like this method. This is the standard parabola. and this is standard parabola, but this is the non-standard and this is the non-standard parabola. We have find same in same way. Thank you.